Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing a headband wig for you guys, and this company that I'm going to be working with today, I've worked with them before, I believe 2 or 3 times, and I'm so excited to work with them again. I really love their hair. Before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges. I love having my edges out when I wear my headband wigs, but like I told you guys in other videos, this is a personal preference. You do not have to leave them edges out if you don't want to. You could always cover this part of your head with the headband wig, and that will also make it so much easier for you to put your wig on. But as for me, I like leaving my edges out, so that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. So the headband wig I'm going to be rocking today is from this company called UNice. Like I said earlier, I've worked with them before and they really do have good quality hair, but today we will definitely find out how much I like what they sent me. So with the hair, I got not one but 2 stocking caps from them. I also got these lashes and I will be wearing them at the end of the video. This is one of the headband I got from them. And this is another one, but I believe I got 3 in total, so I'll show you guys the 3rd one in a minute. As you can see, there's another one hidden right in here with the wig. And this is what it looks like. This is the wig that I'm going to be rocking today. I believe this wig is 24 inches, but as usual, I'll leave all the information in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you guys are interested. As do most of the headband wigs, it has 2 clips in the sides, 1 in the top and 1 in the back of it. And these clips are usually very helpful with securing the wig on and make sure it doesn't move. The wig has a very nice curl pattern to it, which means I will not be curling it or straightening it for it to look how I want it. I'm going to leave it just the way it is, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on and see how much I like it. So today I decided to put it on without a stocking cap like I usually do, and I'm going to use the clip in the top and the one in the back. I usually don't use the ones in the side to secure it onto my head. So when I'm putting on my wig, I like to secure the strap first, then I pull the clip down in the back and pin it right under the strap, and this will help to hide the strap in the back. Already this hair is looking so good. Look at that bounce, look at those curl patterns. I'm so in love. So I added some moisturizing cream on it, and as you can see, it doesn't look so dry anymore. It looks more moisturized and it's still nice and bouncy. I have to say though, I did experience a little bit of shredding with this hair. I'm not sure if it's because it's bleach or because it's curly, but nothing too crazy. Again, the wig is from UNice, and I'll definitely link all the information on the wig down below, so make sure you check that out. And make sure you check out their website because they do have good quality hair, and I strongly believe you will find something that you like. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!